How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if your TikTok shop is not visible on your app. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Also, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new updates. Let's begin. Alright, first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok application and then tap on your profile. Once you get to your profile, you just tap on the hamburger menu to pop out this little menu, and then from here head over to settings and privacy. Once you get to settings and privacy, you just have to scroll down until you get this support and about and tap on report a problem. Now all you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and submit a report. But if you want to see anything, if you find anything that's helpful, you can read through their articles. That might help as well, but you basically want to submit a report, and if you have a screenshot, you can add your screenshot right here, and you just have to tell them that your TikTok shop is not visible on your app and you would like to have it appear on your account. And once you submit your report, you can also include a screenshot and one video. And once the TikTok help and support team receives your ticket, they will review your request and guide you accordingly. So I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.